Hey, what's up guys? It's Bullseye here, back at it again with another video. This one's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make your own intro for completely free without downloading any software. Um, and it takes like usually under 5 minutes, depending on how long you take to like choose your template and stuff. So you wanna go to panzoid.com. I'll leave this link in the description down below. So what Panzoid is basically known for like a intro maker or an outro maker. The intro making part is obviously clip maker. You can also make like thumbnails, YouTube banners here. Maybe I'll make a video on how to make a YouTube banner on Panzoid. And it also has a video editor. I don't really use that, but it is there if you want to use it. So what we're gonna do is actually pick a template. Um, let's go with this one. This one looks pretty cool. You just open in Clipmaker. Let it load, change the view so you can actually see it.
Ain't nobody else saying shit. I usually have an answer to the question, but this time I'm gonna be quiet. This time, ain't nothing like the feeling of uncertainty, the eeriness of silence.
Just see if you like it. If not, there are options here, or you could go back and look at the other ones. But you see how
Ain't nobody else saying shit.
it says found here. You want to change that here, or Fayon, however you say. You want to change that to your name. So you go on this left side, go to this cube, go to objects, and then click on the text. And let's just change it to your name. I'm gonna put it Bullseye because that's me. You can change the font, you can change the size, whatever you like. Yeah.
I usually have an answer to
Just see if you're happy with it. You can change effects. I wouldn't really change anything if a template if you already like it. You can actually change the song too. So all you gotta do is just select an audio file. I'm gonna go with I'll just go with this one. And then let's see if it came in. Yeah, you can actually choose when you want the song to start playing. The audio file, obviously. I'm gonna change it to 23 seconds. Actually, let's do 22. And just let it come around and you can see. Let's see. Obviously, that wasn't the best example, but you could like find a song that does match with your intro, and then you could obviously bring that in. It's got to be an MP4 file though, so just if it doesn't show up, just make sure it is. And yeah, after you're done, you just render the video. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and it takes like 5 to 10 seconds to actually download it after it's finished rendering. You can choose the different things. I just like to go with balanced. It's good quality and it doesn't take that long. Fast render is not the best quality, but it renders fast. Good quality obviously is going to take long to render, same with extreme quality. And yeah, when you're happy with it, just download it. And if you want to make your own intro from scratch, you can also do that too in the clip maker. You can add your background scenes, the text, the effects, and the animations in your own track, and then you just download it after. I'm not going to be doing that in this video. There are actually so many templates to pick from. If you don't find the right, you will eventually find the right one, so you don't have to worry about that. and you can obviously customize it too if you like. I wouldn't really mess with the animation, that's completely up to you, but I would probably just change the song. And yeah, that's how you make an intro under 5 minutes. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, please leave a like down below and subscribe if you haven't. I'm aiming for 50 subscribers by the end of this year, even though that's like 10 away, but I get no views, so yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you have a nice day.